Welcome to Sugosha Defence News. The highlights for today: HFCL spearheads innovation in defence products for Indian and global markets. Kanpur firm CEPL supplies safety shoes to Russian army. IIT Madras incubator soars with electric flying taxi project. Russian forces capture advanced European-made Themis UGV donated by Estonia to Ukraine. Poland receives final TB2 drone delivery from Turkey's Baykar. Thailand agrees with China to go ahead with submarine deal. HFCL Limited, a leading technology enterprise specializing in the manufacturing of high-end telecom equipment, optical fiber and optical fiber cables, as well as providing communication networks for telecommunications, defense and railway sectors, has strengthened its positions in the defense sector with the development of cutting-edge defense electronic products. Aiming to be a significant contributor to the defense sector and fortify national security, HFCL has invested in its R&D capabilities over the past 5 years to develop various defense products. They have successfully created a comprehensive IPR-owned state-of-the-art defense product portfolio, which are not only of national importance but also have huge demand for export. This includes electronic fuses, TI core for thermal sights, thermal weapon sights for light machine guns and assault rifles, ground surveillance radars for various range and applications, as well as high capacity radio relays, among others. It is also in the process of developing drone detection radars. HFCL has developed different types of electronic fuses for 105, 130 and 155 mm caliber artillery guns. The company has also successfully cleared the user trial readiness review for the armament upgrade project of the Army for BMP infantry combat vehicles, further demonstrating its capabilities in meeting the defense sector's requirements. HFCL subsidiary HTL Limited has already received orders from various defense public sector units for supply of wire harness for application in tanks, ships, aircraft and in several other equipment. Competence Exports Private Limited CEPL, based in Hajipur, Bihar, has made significant strides in the international market. They specialize in safety shoes for the Russian army and fashionable footwear for European markets. Established in 2018, the Hajipur facility focuses on local employment and manufactures safety shoes designed for harsh weather conditions, including temperatures as low as -40 degrees. The company aims to expand production and has a 300-strong workforce, with 70% being women, highlighting their commitment to women's empowerment. In the previous year, CEPL exported 1.5 million pairs of shoes, generating a revenue of Rs 100 crores and anticipates a 50% increase in exports next year. Led by Mazhar Palomia, they are developing high-end shoes for France, Italy, Spain, and the UK. CEPL has begun negotiations with a Belgian company, expecting visits from potential clients soon. IIT Madras incubator program is developing India's first electric flying taxi through a startup called ePlane company. The electric flying taxi aims to offer a sustainable and efficient solution to traffic congestion in urban areas. The ePlane company, a Chennai-based deep tech startup with ambitions to develop flying electric taxis, achieved an important milestone last year when it became the first Indian electric aircraft company to secure a crucial approval from the DGCA. The ePlane E200 is a two-seater aircraft specifically designed for urban spaces. It boasts a travel range of 200 kilometers and can make multiple stops on a single charge, resulting in significant time savings for consumers. An eVTOL aircraft utilizes electric power for vertical takeoff, hovering, and landing. The company, founded in 2019 by Professor Chakravarty, conducted a successful test of its prototype aircraft, the ePlane E50. From the war zone, Russian forces have captured one of the most modern UGV unmanned ground vehicles designed and developed by the Estonian company Milrem. The Themis, an innovative unmanned ground vehicle designed and developed by the Estonian defense company Milrem, was delivered to Ukraine as part of Estonia's military aid. The Turkish drone manufacturer Baykar has delivered to Poland the final batch of Bayraktar TB2 combat systems ordered for $270 million. Poland signed a deal in May 21 for the drones and associated equipment. The contract stipulated the delivery of 4 systems, each of which includes 6 aircraft and 3 ground control stations. A joint working panel from both Thai and Chinese defense ministries have agreed to go ahead with the controversial submarine procurement deal and let the submarine be mounted with a Chinese manufactured engine. According to a source familiar with the negotiations, the two sides have agreed to continue with the acquisition of a submarine instead of a frigate. This decision allows intense negotiations reflecting both nations' commitment to maintaining long-standing bilateral ties. The S-260 is reportedly to be based on the Type 039A SSK of the People's Liberation Army Navy plan, also referred as Yuan class. It is a fairly recent design, first commissioned in 2008 with a displacement of 3,600 tons and a length of 75 meters. Nation Thailand reported that the agreement ensures the acquisition of a submarine rather than switching to a frigate, a consideration that was prompted by complications in securing a German MTU 396 diesel engine as originally stipulated in the contract. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoy the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.